nasty, that is probably somewhat of a travesty. Having me daily told people you could call me your majesty. Keep your battery charged, you know it won't stick, yo. And it's not his fault you kick slow. Should've let your trick hoe, chick hoe, you sick low. Plus nobody couldn't do nothing once let the brick go. And you know I know, that's a bunch of snow. The beat is so butter, peep the slow cutter as he uttered the calm flow. Don't talk about my moms, yo. Sometimes he rhyme quick, sometimes he rhyme slow, or vice versa. Whip up a slice of nice verse pie, hit it on your first try, Bill. The worst guy, spot hot tracks like spot a pair of fat asses. Shots at the scotch from out of square shot glasses. And he won't stop till he got the masses. And he show them what they know not to. Her flows are hot molasses. Do it like the robot, your head spin the boogaloo. Took a few minutes to convince the average boogaboo. It's ugly, like look at you, it's a damn shame. Just remember all caps when you spell the man name. And you know it like a poet, like baby doll. I bet she tried to say she gave me her all. She played ball, all bets off. The villain got the dice rigged. And they say he accosted the man with the slice wig. Allegedly, the investigation is still ongoing. In this pesky nation, he's got the best conflowing. The pot devils, now they really got trouble. His madman never go like snot bubbles.